Hello everybody, it's Rhino and I am here today at Disney's Coronado Springs Resort to take you on a foolish room tour. We're going to be going in and checking out a two-queen room here in the Casitas area. But before we dive in and jump inside of this room, I just want to remind everybody that this and everything that we do here is brought to you by Dreams Unlimited Travel, experts at helping you plan the perfect Disney vacation. When you book with them, it costs you nothing extra on your trip and you help support the channel and all the content that we produce here. So head over to dreamsunlimitedtravel.com today to get a free, no obligation quote. And now that I have said that, let's get into this room. Oh, hey, welcome to the room. Look at this view. Hold on, let me get both those there. Just so you're aware, because I myself am scared of big giant windows in hotel rooms. You can't come in through this, all right? That was just the movie magic, as we call it in the biz. That's nice. Pretty view out there, the Casitas. Here we are. Look at this, two queens. I feel like I'm gonna make the obvious joke. 3 if you count me. Shut up. Have a seat with me. Have some thoughts. This is nice. It's just a chair. I do like this. I mean, I guess this would be your side table here. Nice place to sit. Is it supposed to move from side to side? Oh, it is. That is nice. Now you can give yourself a little spin, a little dynamic. Look at this. Who knew you were getting a hotel room and an attraction all in one? Art. Who are those guys right there? Those are the three. I can't remember the name of the movie. Three Amigos. I was going to say the movie with Steve Martin and Martin Short and Chevy Chase, but it is the Three Caballeros. So, which is seen throughout the resort here. You can also see them over here in the center piece of the bed. We'll get over there a little bit earlier, but let's start right meow. I like a nice long counter space. This is very nice because I like that there's another chair for sitting and thinking here too. That's nice. What's down here? A refrigerator. Look at this. So you can sit right here, have a nice chat, throw that open into somebody, grab yourself a cold, okay, well, try and get in. Okay, well, is this the safe for the refrigerator? Oh, is it? Oh, the hinges. I wish that would be deleted, but I have a feeling it won't. Anyway, that's a nice size fridge. It's clear. Yeah, I said clear. Anyway. Got yourself your Keurig machine. Why don't we take a little peek, see what's on tap over here. We got ourselves 2 English breakfasts, a green tea, and then 3 coffees, along with all the accoutrements there. It's nice. I'd call front desk and ask for more green tea. It's just me. I like these little shelves here, because I like that your water bucket with your cups are up here. No super nice cups this time, which is interesting, but I do like having this space. So anything that has organization skills, that's a-okay with me. You got yourself, I don't want to say it, because last time it said something real creepy to me. Hey, Disney. No, didn't hear me that time. That's fine. I don't want to do it. I like this little light. It's nice. Very, very sleek. So there are 2, just behind this little Mickey Mouse's head, there are 2 USB, classic USB 2, I believe that is, there along with that outlet. And then right over here, further down the counter space, we have 2 more outlets with 2 more USB chargers. So there's a lot of outlets because there's 2 at the front door as well. In here, and then you got yourself your drawers. I have said it before, I like this one, nice and shallow. Do they get bigger as they go? They sure do. Look at that one, a little deeper for your jeans maybe, or bulky clothing, I don't know. I like that there's 1 on each side, 1 for each bed, and I am one of those people that unpacks on vacation, so having drawers like this is a nice benefit for me. I also like that there is a full-length mirror right here, so I can look at myself and say, I don't like you. Right into the mirror. But also it's nice for the big luggage or something like that. It'd be over here. I feel like a little bit of a missed opportunity maybe for a little bench or something like that. Just me, but I don't know how many seating areas you need because now we have 2 chairs over here. But again, I'm just gonna say it, I really do like a nice long counter. This is plenty of space if you come in here to work, or you're just sitting and relaxing, or just doing your taxes, or what are you doing? I don't know. There's plenty of space here. And then 2 beds here, which I believe has a safe underneath of it. Now you might think this is a huge safe. It's not. That's not bad size, though. It's pretty good. It's just like, usually these are in the wall. This is the first time I've seen it under there. Do we have Jesus in the drawer? Yeah, he's probably in there somewhere. What's really nice here as well, I like these two. These are really, really cool. I kind of wish these were lights. I don't think they are, but I like them. I feel like it's a missed opportunity to not have a light bulb back there, but let me just double check. I can confirm they are not, and I almost put my thumb inside of that outlet. But 2 more outlets, 2 more on either side, which is nice, because for me, I do my Apple Watch and my phone every night, but then having those 2 there, then you can sit in bed with the computer or whatever else you need. So lots of stuff there. So if you're a party of 4 or something like that, that would go in here. I have to say, too, I actually really like the colors in here. Like the orange headboard is nice with the yellow here. I like these like lights. This feels a little dusty. I touched it, and now I feel gross about it. But, you know, they're fabric lamps. It kind of happens. You've got yourself your thermostat is all the way over here. So this was the bed I would choose. So if anyone tries to change it at night, yeah! It's cut down. Because I like it real cold. Real cold. And we're not going to put the fan on auto. Ooh, I turned the heat on. We're going to keep it on. Oh, turn the heat on again. We're going to keep the... Okay, well, I can't get it up to the high fan, so... I just wanted to check these curtains, too. Because you never know. Disney likes to hide stuff in the curtains. Like me, when we started this video. Let's go to the bathroom over here. Check this out. I really like the... I like a barn door. I was concerned because at first I'm like, oh, is this the only way? Like, if I were to reenact a scene from Ace Ventura: Pet Detective. I can't do it. So what's nice about these, though, is this closes, and there's also the hidden door. I love hidden doors. They just don't, it's like, don't lock me out of there. They just take up so much less space than a regular door. But in here, you got a nice big wardrobe. Look at that. You got your ironing board in there. Whoops. Whoops. That thing for your other luggage. There's like downstairs storage area. There's an uptown storage area where you got the extra pillow and the blanket up there. And then my favorite spot in this hotel room, this little nook. It's like the timeout corner. My mother would have loved this area. I mean, she could still love it. She's still with us. I don't know why I said that. Hey, guess what's hiding back here? Another outlet. 2 outlets in the with 2 sinks. That's nice, because then you can have the his and hers, his and his, hers and hers, whatever, and everybody gets their own place for their electric shavers or whatever you're gonna plug in the bathroom here. I don't know. It's your business, not mine. It looks like we've got a bar of soap. I know this is a crazy thing to point out, but lately I've been going to hotel rooms and they only give you, hold on, 1 bar of soap. Here we are. There's only 1 bar of soap in here. Also, what's really nice is right by Craig's head, there's another rack. And right by his butt, there's a towel rack. So there is not one on the door or in the bathroom here, so I guess that is where the towels are going to go. Gross if you're going to share the towel rack, so you got to figure that out yourself. But I do like how the lighting in this bathroom is like inlaid into here. I don't know, it always does this like really cool thing with your eyes, I feel like. You get your standard Disney like pull-out mirror a little bit. And then if you are wondering, is there a dryer down here? There sure is, a hair dryer that is, which is essential for me on vacation, especially in Florida with all this humidity. I do not want the curl in my hair. But then there's a bathroom here. If you'll come on in with me, that's a toilet. We use those. Here's this. 2 shower heads up in here. 2. So you got yourself like a little, oh no, it's on a little bit. That feels nice. And then this guy over here. So that little shelf there, you could try and sit, but I probably wouldn't. I don't think I'd fit. And then this window, which if you knock, if you know the right knock, someone will slide this open and give you a shower beer. This is that Disney Resorts. It's not H2O, baby. It makes me a little sad. Uh-oh, dirty footprints. Someone was walking in there. Shame. I do like that this area is all sectioned off like this. So I don't get the thing why they don't give you bars of soap when you wash, because I use both a bar of soap and body wash when I wash. I do a double duty. I got a lot of anxiety, so you could eat spaghetti off of me when you're done. I don't know why you would, and I wouldn't care for that. All right, here we go. I'm gonna check this bed. I banged my leg when I jumped up. It's pretty good. I could see myself falling asleep in this bed. I'm pretty tired, actually. Let me look under the bed. I'm not crawling all the way under today. We gotta do the under test. Feels spider webby. I feel like Drop Dead Fred a little bit right now. Cobwebs. Well, gang, I'm happy to report it's tight space under here. I can fit, though. I bet my luggage could fit, and I bet any annoying children could go under here as well. That's your choice, not mine. But I think that's it. That's going to do it for this room tour here at Disney's Coronado Resort. Thank you, everybody, for your time. I'm going to take a little nap under this bed. If you like the video, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave some comments. Where are we going next? What rooms are we touring? You got any questions about the room? We'll answer those down there. And don't forget about Dreams Unlimited Travel when planning that next Disney vacation. All right, get out.